Hello YouTube, this is day 6, September 16th, it's a Friday. We're trying to diagnose the problem as to why the generator is a no turnover. I've checked the switch, that seems to be okay. Been doing some tests here, so we've been getting positive to the starter. So I've taken this apart to see, and I also put the charger on the battery, thinking that maybe we don't have enough juice. We're getting full power here as well. So I've done some tests. I pulled off the wires to the switch, so now we're going to give it another shot and see if she at least turns over. That's the goal today.
Yep, that's the goal today.
That's the goal. So here we go.
Here we go.
She does turn over, so that's a positive.
Yep, that's positive.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all of this back together and try to put the fuel in, crank up some fuel in there, and maybe we'll do a quick start. I did want to change this filter before. That filter looks much larger than the standard filter. But I will see. So I'm going to put this back together. I may not be able to do this with one hand. So I'm going to put you on a pause for a moment. Okay. You have the front section back on. Oops. That's the cap to the... Okay. Let's see if it will pick up any fuel now. Trying to pump in a little fuel into her. Let's see what the outcome is. Okay. The fuel pump is pumping up fuel. We do hear that. So let's see, are the fuel lines in the fuel? Yep, they're in the fuel. They're in the fuel. So let's... Now there was a change in the sound of the fuel pump. There you go. I believe it's picking up fuel. try and do a start.
I think my arm's good.
Did get a little start there. Try it one more time. Perfect.
Now the tissue is getting stuck to me. I'm gonna go put an air in here.
So there we have it. Our first prime start and run of the rebuilt Onan, Cummins Onan 7.5 kilowatt quiet diesel generator.
Baby! It's corn!
So now it looks like I will continue to fill it with antifreeze, and I may change that oil once I get it back into the unit.
Let's go dump my baby out. And make sure.
Guess that's it for today. God bless. Have a great weekend.